good everyone. We are here today to discuss the research titled The Sanitation Tool for Establishments or Sanitation Disinfection Tunnel. Here in my co-researchers, Filmer Soreno, Marjorie Nagita, Olin John Madiral, Will McKinley Badilla, and me, Priscel Rago. So that leads to the first topic is Olin John Madiral.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm going to discuss about the background rationale of our research. Sanitize the person in the whole body for assurance of safety procedure. There have been confidence building measures rapidly instituted in the current coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19 pandemic without any specific evidence to backing them up. Foremost among these measures is the so-called disinfection tunnel, DT, or sanitational tunnel. Preserving a specific sanitized establishment. This equipment will sanitize the person in the whole body before entering the establishment. In this way, to keep from the virus by keeping it clean. Prevention of further viral spread of virus. It indicates that without proper disinfection, the virus can spread rapidly through contact, surface, and air. Effectively, surface and air disinfection can ensure an entirely containment and prevention of further viral virus. Efficient automatic device. Washing hands with soap and water sometimes is unpractical since it needs water to rinse off the soap, not just in hand, but we need to be whole bodily clean safely. Product innovation has developed to overcome the unpractical side, which is called sanitational disinfection tunnel.
Now let's move on to the next topic. That leads is Marjorie Nagita.
Statement of the problem. The sanitation disinfection of an open air is to spray shower to the toe-to-toe disinfection. So for the development of the study, we address the following questions. First is what design parameters should be researchers consider to develop the sanitation disinfection tunnel? Next is what development and implementation strategy should be researchers adopt to be utilized to ensure that the sanitation disinfection tunnel will work. And lastly is what evaluation parameters should the researchers assess in order to measure the performance and acceptability of the sanitation disinfection tunnel. Objectives of the study. The brief of this paper seeks to develop the sanitation disinfection tunnel to be made relatively cost efficient. First is to design a relatively cost-efficient sanitation disinfection tunnel. The next objective is to develop a sanitation tunnel with necessary equipment. And last is to evaluate parameters to assess in order to measure the performance and acceptability of the sanitation disinfection tunnel.
I would like to look at our next topic. That leads is Filmer Soreno.
This is the conceptual framework of this study. We have input, process, and output. So in the input, we have planning and designing and testing of prototype. We will plan what design and how the prototype will work, and we will test all the equipment will be used to have a complete prototype. And in process, we will develop the sanitation disinfection tunnel, and we will test the effectiveness of the product so that we will know also if it's working properly. And then the output, we will have the complete product, the sanitation disinfection tunnel. The conceptual design of sanitation disinfection tunnel. The disinfection tunnel is kind of an open air spray shower for head to toe disinfection special constructions consisting of aluminum structure with roof and side walls which is equipped with nozzle system.
I'd like to look at our next topic that leads is Will McKinley Padilla.
Structural design of sanitation disinfection tunnel. The sanitation disinfection tunnel is placed a mist of herbal disinfectant solution or sodium hypochlorite solution, a chlorine compound often used as disinfectant or a bleaching agent. The mist is generated by suitable arrangement of nozzle as the person passes through the tunnel, and PIR sensor will detect the person to energize the water and pump produce a sanitizer liquid through the spray nozzles. Functioning of sanitation disinfection tunnel. A suitable nozzle sprays is used for directing the uniform distribution of mist over the person. Using a PIR sensor to sodium hypochlorite is a component of commercial bleaches and cleaning solution and used as disinfectant for drinking and wastewater purification system and swimming pools in every mild concentration. Slightly high concentration of sodium hypochlorite could lead to mild to extreme serious side effects, ranging from skin and even irritation to severe burns. Therefore, the concentration should be used as per the government or the ICMR guidelines. Any other chemical recommended by leading health agencies could also be used in approved concentration. One of main advantages of this design is the person with disability or with wheelchair bounded individuals do not face any challenges in using this tunnel. Review and related literature. This tunnel is placed a mist of sodium hypochlorite solution, a chlorine compound often used as disinfectant and a bleaching agent as you pass through them. Sodium hypochlorite is a component of commercial bleaches and cleaning solution and used as disinfectant in drinking and wastewater purification system and in swimming pools. Effective of surface and air disinfection. Can ensure an early containment and prevention of further viral spread, effectively with 0.1% sodium hypochlorite solution within 1 minute.
And that's all about our research proposal titled The Sanitation Tool for Establishments or Sanitation Disinfection Tunnel. Thank you everyone.